There's the air gun. There's two ways you can run it. Put this in it, has a cord on it. You plug that into your car, or it has this here. You don't need a cord, but you have to plug this in, this adapter, pull that out. Now at first you might think, well, how am I going to plug this in? Well, you look over it, you look around it, and you'll see a spot right there. So what you do is you plug this in. Plug this end here into the plug. Plug this in. There. Then this here. This here end. You plug into this here. Turn this around. You'll see it right there. Right there. You plug it into that. There. Plugged in there. And it's plugged in here. You see you got a green light there. Green light means it's fully charged. So you can take this out, save this. Best to keep this maybe in the house in the cold weather. Okay, that's it.